Good morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today I will start a new chapter from your science, chapter number 9, rocks and minerals. Okay, all of you open your book. Let's learn with me. In introduction, first topic is formation of rock. So how rocks are formed. Large area of earth surface are made from different kinds of rock. All of you know in our earth crust or in below the earth surface they are made of different types of rocks, hot molten rocks. Each kind of rock is composed of different minerals. So rocks are composed of minerals. The earth crust is made up of rocks and minerals. Earth crust means water. This is the below the surface of the earth. Okay, rock is a hard and solid part of the earth. So what is rock? Rock is a hard and solid part of the earth. Rocks are found on land in different shape and sizes, as big as mountains or as small as soil particles. So the rocks may be as big as mountain or as small as soil particle. Rocks are also present deep beneath the oceans and under the rocks are formed in several ways. How rocks are formed? This is the point. How rocks are formed. Some are formed when layers of sand and seashells pile up and get sandwiched together. That means when some of form when sand and seashell. Sand and seashell means sand pile up and get sandwiched. That means when they are attached together. Then when hot molten rock from inside the earth erupts out as volcano. Then when the layers of sand and seashells pile up, that means they get attached, the rocks are formed. And when hot molten rock from inside the earth erupts out as volcano. So when hot molten rocks are erupt from the inside the earth, it is called volcano. So it cools down and becomes hard. When volcano is erupted, after many years it becomes cool, and when it becomes cool, it is converted to rocks. Okay, understand? When volcano erupted, the after many years it becomes cool, and after cooling it, it is converted to rocks. Then fossils. So what are fossils? The fossils are often found in layered rocks such as limestone and shale. So where the fossils found? So fossils are found often in layered rock. Layered rocks means when two layers of rocks are attached, or they between these two layers the fossils get stuck. Okay, and such as limestone and shale. So limestone and shale are the rocks which are found in layered rocks. Okay, understand? Next, come to the page number 80. In this page you can see different types of rocks. So what are the types of rocks? Igneous rock and metamorphic rock and the sedimentary rocks. So types, remember the types: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. So what are igneous rocks? Let's start. Igneous rocks are formed when volcanoes erupt. So I have already told how rocks are formed by volcanic eruption. So the rocks formed by the volcanic eruption are called the igneous rock. Okay, and the hot molten rock inside the earth is called the magma, but when it reaches the surface of the earth, it is called lava. So magma and lava is the same substance, but magma found is inside the earth surface, and lava is found in the surface of the earth. Okay, then types of igneous rock. Again, it is subdivided into different types. So igneous rocks. Granite. So granite is the most common igneous rock on the earth surface. It is a volcanic rock that is hardened under the ground. It is made up of minerals like quartz, feldspar and several types of mica. So it is formed by the different types of minerals. And what are the minerals? Quartz, feldspar, several types of mica. The granite is found in red, pink, yellow and brown color. So granite is, what are the colors? So the colors of the granites are red, pink, yellow and brown. So understand about granite. So granite is the igneous rock, and it is the it is hardened under the ground. Okay, next, second type is basalt. Basalt rocks are formed when lava cools on the surface of the earth. It is dense, dark and has fine grains. So it is also a igneous rock, but it has fine grains. It is, and what is the color? It is dense, dark. Okay, it is the dense and dark color, and it is rich in magnesium and iron. Remember this name of mineral, magnesium and iron rich rock is the basalt. Next, pumice. So pumice is another type, light ash colored. What is the color? Light ash rock formed by the quick cooling of lava. So it is formed by quick cooling when lava is found in outside the surface of the earth. Then after quick cooling or first cooling, the pumice is formed. It has a sponge-like structure because it is formed from foamy lava. So foamy lava means the form of the lava is called foamy lava, and it is formed after several years or quick cooling pumice. So pumice is the foamy lava. Okay, the foam form of lava. Dentists use powdered pumice for polishing our teeth. So what is the use? Dentists use the pumice. Then sedimentary rocks. Igneous rock is over. Then sedimentary rocks. Many sedimentary rocks are made from broken pieces of other rocks. So sedimentary means the broken pieces of other rocks form the sedimentary rocks. These are pieces of rocks like sand, mud and pebbles get swept into the rivers, lakes and seas. Then sink to the bottom and settle down to form layers called sediments. So when other rocks breaks down and then it swept away by rivers. Then with this rivers or with this water, some mud, sand, etc. also flows and get sediments under the river, and this is called the sedimentary rocks. So this is the broken part of the igneous or other rocks. Okay, here types of sedimentary rocks. As like the igneous rock, sedimentary rocks are subdivided into different types. So what are the subdivision? This is the conglomerate, sandstone, coal and limestone. Okay, so all of you read in detail about these 4 types. And another type of sedimentary rocks were shale. So all of you read in detail about the types of sedimentary rocks. Okay, then come to the last type of rocks, metamorphic rocks. So what are the metamorphic rock? The name metamorphic comes from the Greek word meaning change of shape. So heat and pressure below the surface of the earth can bring changes in the minerals of igneous and sedimentary rocks, which then form into new types of rocks. These changed rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. This process is called metamorphosis. So metamorphic rocks is nothing but it is the transformation of other rocks under the surface of earth, and it is transformed with the help of pressure and temperature under the surface of the earth. Okay, this is formed only because of the pressure and temperature under the surface of the earth, and this process is called the metamorphosis. So what is metamorphosis? The process of formation of metamorphic rock is called the metamorphosis. Then types of metamorphic rocks: slate, marble, quartz and so it's your today's class. So all of you read in detail about this, discussed about the formation of rock, different types of rocks and genesis, and the rest part I will discuss in the later class. So all of you read the chapter, try to understand and send the audio. Okay, it is mandatory for all. Take it seriously. Thank you. Have a good day.